most authentic opinion is that while indoors, when we are in a normal toilet, there are walls and partitions and doors surrounding us. Bihan from Ghana.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, the ruling about not facing the qiblah while in the washroom, does it only apply in the washroom or when we are in our rooms changing? Jazakallah khair.
Wa jazakum. This rule applies to when answering the call of nature, not when changing your clothes or being butt naked in your own room. There's no problem in that. And there are 7 different opinions, as mentioned by Shawkani in his book Nail Awtar and other scholars, that whether it is permissible, what's not permissible, is it facing the qiblah or giving your back to the qiblah, or both, is it indoors or outdoors, is facing the moon or the sun is included, and so many different opinions. And the most authentic opinion is that while indoors, when we are in a normal toilet, there are walls and partitions and doors surrounding us, that this is permissible. Though the hadith of Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, says, if I recall correctly, that when they went to Syria and found that the places of answering the call of nature is directed to the qiblah, they used to tilt a little bit while answering it and asking Allah for forgiveness. But as I said, this is an issue of dispute, and the most authentic is that it's permissible, inshallah. Shihab from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum.
Sheikh, my question is about Iblis's wiswas, or is it Iblis's wiswas? Is that, for example, I had a quarrel with my family. I have constant quarrel with my family. So one day after a quarrel, I deducted that we could reach no conclusion. So I remembered the story of the man of Musa alayhi salam who says that, are you going to kill a person just because he says because Allah? And he said, Allah is enough for me, and Allah protected him. So by that I took decision that I will not talk to them that much and will not reason with them. But then something came in my mind that Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala said that when you lose patience with someone, remember how Allah has patience with you. So then I started reasoning them again, but that did not bear any fruit. And only things escalated, and more sins are committed than conclusion. And today was a very bad day, and so I am asking you, was that the thought that came into my mind that Abu Bakr's hadith, is that from Iblis or is that from Allah, that something could be good can be done with this? Jazakallah khair.
Jazakum. I cannot elaborate on the situation because I could not understand the narration you said about Musa, peace be upon him. As for the hadith of Abu Bakr, I don't also know the hadith you're referring to, unless it is in regards of the ayah in Surah An-Nur, where the Prophet ﷺ recited it to Abu Bakr so that he would forgive his cousin Maslah, may Allah be pleased with him, for slandering Mother Aisha, the daughter of Abu Bakr. And Allah mentioned in it, let them forgive and pardon. Don't you want Allah to forgive you and pardon you? And he said, I want Allah to forgive me and pardon me. So he forgave his cousin for what he had said. Now, everyone has a test from Allah. And it goes without saying that forgiveness and pardoning people is a positive thing. If you do that, it is not always guaranteed that life would be rosy and beautiful and easygoing. The tests may become more difficult so that you would prove yourself whether you're sincere or not. So it's only a test from Allah Azza wa Jal. If you hold your grounds and say, I forgave and I pardon for the sake of Allah, and nothing is going to change my mind because I did it for the sake of Allah. You will pass the test and you will prevail with the grace of Allah. It takes patience. It takes time. It's not something that you do it now and you will see the result in seconds. It may take time to bear the fruit and be productive. So be patient and do the things that Allah loves most, and inshallah you will see the positive results of that very soon.